So before we start with the topic discussion, just I want to let you know that today I'm changing my topic and I'm changing my channel name also. So because I've seen many other YouTubers are also there with this type of channel, and even you can get the updates and the trending news in the news channel. So I thought to change my topic, and today's discussion will be on cybercrime fraud, which has been taking place in today's world very frequently. And till April, the case was around 2K, and now recently a hacker has hacked even millionaires like Bill Gates, then Elon Musk, then another top billionaires, and frauding other people. So let's start with the video. So yes, you have seen a right thumbnail. Recently I also got a fake message from hackers or something. Maybe they are trying to trap me, and even you also get few messages like you have won this amount of money, just click on the link to let you know. So first I will describe the full story, and then I will tell you how to take the prevention and why they are doing so. So here we go. So on 21st July I received a message from an account named Warner Anja. She was from Germany, and she wrote me in Germany that I have no origin in Germany and she is suffering from some illness and she is in the deathbed. And the irony is that she even told that he don't have any children and his husband is no more. So she don't have any administrator in the Germany, so she want to give me 8 lakh euro. 8 lakh euro means, which is around 6 crore 86 lakh 94,513.4 in Indian rupees. So you can see I am showing in the screen that the message he has sent me. So you can read it also. It was sent in German language, so I have translated it. So after seeing this message, I thought maybe because 8 lakh euro is very huge amount, and even if you were in my place, you would have also understood that it was a fake message. So I was thinking not to message her and reply, but I thought it will be a nice opportunity for me to make a video on this topic, and so that my viewers or the subscribers or who else are seeing my videos, then he can get a alert message. And I've told you even millionaires are getting a fraud calls. So in reply I have told him that why you are donating me this huge amount of money. There are many missionaries, you can donate to them, and even many charities are there, you can help them. At first only I got that this person is a fake one, and this message was also but this was not the first time it's happening with me, because last year when I was in class 12, I got a call from a hacker. He was asking me my ATM pin, not in direct language, because he was telling me tell that the 4-digit number, not the ATM pin. They were indirectly asking me the pin, so we gave him some wrong pin so that we can disturb him, because I was in that time I was in class 12 and my friends were also around me, so they were playing fools. On giving him reply that why me, not anyone, so this time he takes me in English advice, saying that it was a father's advice, and he gave some speech on religion to convince me. After that it was okay. It was a shock for me when he told that I'm a good person and God has directed her to me for this amount of money. I would thanks God. See, I'm not telling anything against religion, because this type of people try to control your mind, and through religion speech and all, and through showing their weakness that they're in deathbed, they try to trap you and they will just clean your bank balance. So I thought let's see how far this goes, and seeing that I continued messaging him. So I don't know it was a man or a lady, so sometime I'm telling him or her. So I thought let's see how far she goes. And so the next message when I replied that I'm a student and I need a financial support, and in a few seconds another message comes from the other side, which you can see in the sides. So she asked me what I will do with this amount of money if she gives to me. So I told that yeah, it will be for my financial support for my college and other things. So he told that yes, if you need this amount of money, I will contact you with my lawyer. So but the irony is that if God has directed her to me, then why is asking me what I will do with this amount of money? As the conversation was going too fast, so I thought, so when I text her that I want to see you and whether you are in a deathbed or not, so in a few seconds another message comes from his lawyer, something named Sebastian Ahahon, something pronunciation will be like that, you can see in the message, where she sends me a message of filling a form about my name. Then you can see in the screen my bank account balance, then my passport, and then my school ID card. But the fact is that I don't have any passport. More than my school identity card, I don't have any identity card also. So this time I text him that send me this amount of money in my PayPal account. So which you can see I have also text. You can see the message also. So they stopped messaging me, and thus I was describing the full story how these fraud people and the hackers, they try to make you fool and clear the account balance. I know everyone want money, but try to always earn, because you will get the real happiness from that. This type of people, they never stop. Even they fail to extract your money, they will try with other people. So never share your bank's details. Even banks also send you message that banks also never ask that you send your PIN, or if you have forgotten, we will renew it. Never. Even with your girlfriend also never share your ATM PIN or your bank account. You can see in this message how this person was fraud with 22,000 by his girlfriend. So if by chance if they get your ATM PIN, they will extract all your money, and if you complain to police also, they will not able to help you, because the process is like this. Even millionaires' Twitter's account are hacked, and the next victim can be you. So just share my video to everyone so that the next victim can get this message, and try to block this account which I have told you in this video, and I'm showing in the screen also. I'm not telling you to follow me in Instagram or Facebook. I'm just telling you to share my video to each of your friends and family, because the next victim can be yours. See, during lockdown, everyone is working hard, everyone is trying to earn money, trying to feed their family, trying to help their family. Even I was working in the rice field to help my family. So it's not the right way to extract someone's money and just keeping your family safe. If you are doing this, someone is affected, some or others is affected. So I just want to tell you that share my videos to everyone, and even they can get this message. So at last, just I want to tell you that if you want to know that how the local hackers, not the top hackers, how they are hacking the people's money, and even if they hack your money, if you go to police, they will not able to help you, and how the process is going on, I can explain you in my next video. I can only bring that next video if you share this video and get most like. That will be a appreciation for me. So take care and save your bank account.